Hi! In this video, I will show you a review of WeBull Cash Management. So we have in here WeBull. So on the particular side, the interest rate is around 5% APY on uninvested cash, which is significantly higher than traditional savings account of only around 0.05%. It also has no fees and making it accessible for all users. It also have no entry requirement that start with as little as $1. For the safety, SIPC protection up to $500,000 and FDIC insurance up to $1 million. So as you can see, for the flexibility, you can withdraw funds anytime without penalties and cash remains available for trading. So, in summary, benefits of it is high yield, no minimum balance, zero fees, enhanced earnings, and the risk is the investments carry risk, capital, and yields are not guaranteed. So, all in all, Webull is a great cash management application that you can use if you have some idle cash lying around. So, I hope we help you out.